Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring this brand new addition. This is a 2005 Chrysler Crossfire SRT-6. These are just awesome and amazing. You don't see a lot of them. There's only 2,016 of these made. This is one of 333 done in black. They all had 5-speed automatic transmissions. This one has a 6-speed manual transmission. What's awesome about it is obviously this is pushed by your 3.2 liter 18-valve supercharged V6. But the tuning's been done by Alpine MSS that actually has everything working just the way you want it to and actually pumps out a little bit more horsepower. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take on a test drive. Stay tuned.
The 2005 Crossfire SRT-6, it's just amazing. It's based off of the Mercedes SLK 32 AMG. It's got a stiffer suspension, and this one is one of one that has a 6-speed manual transmission. Most of them came with the 5-speed automatic, but this one is just a true beast. 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. It will stop in about 115 feet from 100 miles an hour, and again, this thing will go 0 to 100 in the quarter mile in less than 15 seconds, and that's stock without the manual transmission or the tune. This one, you can just tell it's in really great shape. The exterior, the body panels, everything with it just really lines up. Another great thing about the SRT6 is it came with bigger brakes, its own wheel package, and this one, these rims are just so clean, they literally look like it just came off the showroom floor. As we go deeper into this vehicle, you can just see that it's got great depth in the paint. It is in such good shape, it is literally mirror-like. Again, there are a few little specs, and of course it does have a few miles on it, so you are going to have a few road imperfections from it, but there is nothing that just stands out. Again, the lines are nice and clean, the fitment is nice and tight, and the paint just has a beautiful black glow to it. Now let's get right into this engine. Really hear the whine from the supercharger. So coming out of that 3.2 liter 18-valve supercharged single overhead cam engine, let's jump right into the interior. As we get into the interior, the SRT6 had its own sport elements that were added not just for convenience for the driver, but also the rider. This includes high-quality Nappa leather upholstery with a grip-enhancing Alcantara suede on the seats. The same material was used also on the bolsters. This just gives an overall great sports appeal to it. Now if we go through the gauges and the switches, they were fitted with a bright illumination for better visibility. The entertainment inside was powerful, but also very pleasant and dynamic stereo system. This one has been upgraded to an Alpine CD and Bluetooth. We make our way back to the trunk. It has its own specialized SRT6. As you look into the trunk, again, there is not a lot of room. It's not a large SUV, but there is plenty of space to put your golf clubs, a suitcase, or whatever else that you need back there. So with that, there's not a lot of space, but there's plenty of room for the clubs or to the grocery store. Now, as we go through the rest of the vehicle, we're going to get into the passenger side, go over. Just there's no rips, no tears. As you can see when going through here, open the door. All of the side door panels are in great shape. It does have side airbags. Speaker system is nice, sounds great with Alpine. There's no cracks on the dash. Again, no rips or tears on any of the seats. The carpet is in great shape, and so is the headliner. And now as we get through the interior, let's just go ahead and get right into the test drive.
All right, guys. This is going to be, all right, we'll show you the windows. So those go up. All those go up and down nice and smooth. Click it or ticket. So, horn works. Wipers work. All the AC, everything works. Traction. Stereo. All the locks, everything works on it. Heated seats. All the good stuff. Let's take this thing for a drive. So obviously this is one of those one-of-ones. There might be two, I just have not seen another one, but this has the 6-speed conversion from the Mercedes 6-speed. Obviously they only made these in automatic. So it runs out well. And you can see from the undercarriage that will be after this video that everything is nice and neat, and you can definitely tell it was professionally done underneath. They used AMG exhaust, you know, everything with it. Now it's Stellantis, but of course the Diamond Chrysler before. Yeah, this thing's actually, it's really smooth, it's nice. You know, the SRT6 itself is just kind of rare in its own breed. Yeah, that moves. That definitely has got a nice pickup to it. That manual is definitely a lot quicker than the automatic. If you've ever drove one of the automatics, they're just hesitant. Technology has came a long way in the automatics now, but definitely in something like this with the manual, it moves. Yeah, moves out really well. We have all the high definition photos, online financing, and transport nationwide. Just like always, like, subscribe, and follow us on all the socials. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, this is under that 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. You can see it's just in very, very good shape all throughout. AMG exhaust. This one does have the manual transmission. You can see everything is done really, really nice on this one. Everything's in great shape. All the shock, springs, steering components, just the way that you want it.